To go back to the texting and calling, I'm curious why you're texting and calling at the same time, because my reasoning for texting first is the efficiency of it, right? Because I can go through 3,000 texts in a day.
Right now, we have so much data that even if we do market to the same person twice at the same time, I'm not really that stressed.
You're not that, yeah.
Right. And like, I don't think like, okay, we're wasting money. I'm not at that scale to where like this much of a percent matters.
Mm-hmm.
And then right now we've even slowed down our texting, and now we're completely cold call and then PPC. And then we're kind of looking into direct mail, and PPC is only in Fresno.
Yeah.
And everything else is cold call.
How is PPC working out for you?
It's expensive. We're still playing with it. We don't have a huge budget. We have like $2,000 a month.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting good leads, but I'd like to only do it there in Fresno until I really understand it. And then our budget, I feel comfortable spending in our other markets.